Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the Excel workbook is saved to OneDrive or SharePoint and that your data is formatted as a table. Once done, open Power Automate and create an automated cloud flow so changes happen reliably. Make sure to pick a trigger that matches your needs, for example, when a HTTP request is received or when a file is modified. Then add trigger inputs for file path, table name, and a unique row identifier, so you can target the exact row to update. Next, you list rows from the Excel table and immediately filter them to find the matching record. This avoids accidental updates. Once filtered, you select or compose to map incoming payload fields to the Excel column schema so types align. Then add the update a row action, pointing to the exact table and row ID. Make sure to convert data types where needed, and include conditional branching if multiple matches are possible. This prevents overwrites and preserves integrity. To finish, save and run a manual test using a known sample record so you can inspect run history and output step by step. Once green, add error handling, configure run after conditions, and a retry branch for transient failures. Make sure to set concise success/failure messaging for monitoring. If things go wrong, first check that table headers and the unique ID field match exactly between Excel and your flow. Mismatched names or extra spaces are the most common cause of silent failures.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.